This city looks normal. The lights are on, the streets are moving, people are breathing. But inside the air, something else is moving, too small to see, too easy to ignore. And now, a new machine is watching, not with eyes, with data. This is not a war of bombs. It is a war of sensors, satellites, and algorithms. A war to find pollution before it finds us. Every morning, millions of people step into the same invisible ocean, air. We trust it because we cannot see it. Pollution does not come from one place. It can rise from traffic, factories, fires, dust, waste, and sometimes from places nobody is measuring. Here is the frightening part. A city can look measured, but still have blind spots. Pollution can hide between sensors. For most people, pollution is not a number. It is a cough, a burning throat, a child kept indoors. Some particles are so small they can travel deep into the lungs. Under certain conditions, they may affect the heart, the brain, and the body's defenses. To fight something invisible, scientists first need one thing: signals, tiny measurements from the places where people actually live. AI does not smell pollution. It connects clues: wind, traffic, temperature, satellite images, sensor readings. And this is where the story changes. If the pattern is strong enough, AI may warn us before the worst air arrives. AI can be powerful, but it is not magic. If the data is missing, delayed, or wrong, the model can miss the danger. A sensor can drift, a cheap monitor can be noisy, a storm can change readings, a broken device can create false confidence. So scientists look higher. Satellites can track pollution from space. They can see patterns no street camera could ever see. Some pollution does not stay where it starts. Wind can move it, weather can trap it. A fire in one place can change the air far away. In extreme cases, pollution is not one event. It is a chain reaction. Heat, traffic, smoke, still air. If the warning arrives late, people may already be outside. Children may already be playing. Workers may already be breathing it in. This is why researchers run simulations. What if the wind shifts? What if a wildfire grows? What if a factory leak is missed? Sometimes the clue is tiny, a strange plume, a repeated spike, a pattern that does not belong. But AI does not close the case. Humans still need to verify. They check sensors, they test samples, they ask, is this real? The war is not only in the air. Water can look clean while carrying chemicals, plastics, or waste downstream. Drones, sensors, and models can help trace where pollution may travel, not perfectly, but faster than human eyes alone. Soil can remember what humans forget. Old pollution can remain underground. Rain, roots, or disturbance may move it again. This is the battlefield now. Not one map, many maps. Air, water, soil, weather, people. Across the world, the response is growing. Scientists measure, engineers redesign, doctors warn, communities report what they see. The most important map is not always national. Sometimes it is the street outside a school, the road near a home, the air around the playground. AI cannot clean the air alone, but it can help cities choose smarter moves, better traffic flow, cleaner transport, warnings before high-risk days. A warning is only useful if someone acts. Close a road, issue an alert, fix a leak, protect the people in the path. The counterattack is not one invention. It is many small defenses working together. Cleaner energy, better monitoring, faster response, stronger rules. But there is one final weakness. If we stop measuring, we stop seeing. And if we stop seeing, pollution wins quietly. The future city may still look normal, but now we know better. The invisible world has patterns, and patterns can be found. The new war is not AI against nature. It is not machines against smoke. It is truth against invisibility, speed against delay, action against silence. Pollution does not need to be loud to be dangerous. It only needs to remain unseen. AI can help us find it, but humans must choose what to do next.